How2 Automotive. In today's video, we got car show preparation. So tell them what we're gonna do.
So today I am actually getting rid of all the pink on Sally, my car. I've decided to move on and sell Sally after the car show. So we're gonna be removing the hood vents. Might take off the stickers too and paint them like more masculine colors so that I could sell the car for more.
So Vanessa and I are attending the Big SoCal Euro Car Show event in Irvine, California on September 30th. Last video I made, I got my BMW all prepped and ready to go. I did a little bit of paint correction on it and a little bit of detailing and got it ready to go. You can check that video out, links in the description. All right, so come with us and we're gonna get this prepped. So we've already drilled out the vents here and they were riveted on. We already drilled that out.
We're gonna I'm going to use aircraft paint remover to strip them, and then I'm going to paint these gloss black. I think it'll be a good contrast with the satin black wrap. Yeah.
All right, come with us. So the louver that Vanessa installed on her car was pop riveted to the vehicle, so she had to drill out all the rivets, and then we were able to get it off. She also had to make a few modifications to the hood to make it fit a little better, so she used the Milwaukee band file to reshape the hood.
I have the aircraft paint remover right here, and I have these wired toothbrushes, and I'm going to spray this stuff, and then it's going to start like crinkling. The paint's going to literally like lift off the metal, and then that's when I go in and I scrape it all off, like literally just a swipe, and this stuff is like crazy good. So kind of fun. All right, so Vanessa's spraying on the aircraft, what'd you call it? Paint remover. Aircraft strength paint remover. So it's only been on there for a couple seconds and you can already see the paint bubbling up on it pretty good. So within a couple minutes she'll be scrubbing that off. Super satisfying. That's funny. Probably take a couple passes.
Definitely wear protection on this stuff. You don't want this on your skin. I need to get Vanessa a proper pair of shoes for when she comes. She always wears these white shoes, as you can see right there.
These are actually my beater white shoes.
Second coat here. Let it do the work. Close up view of the paint stripper made by Rust-Oleum. Vanessa's stripping the paint off the cowling vents here. I'm gonna pop a couple of the tires off and we're gonna prep the brake caliper. She's got those painted pink. We're gonna just paint them red and then put the wheels back on. So we're going to take off the wheels, but before I do, I wanted to show you guys the brand new Generation 3 High Torque from Milwaukee Tools. I'm gonna have Vanessa pop that tire off for me, but I wanted her to try out the new Gen 3 Milwaukee High Torque. This is not out until October. This is her first time using a big one like this. She's used the mid torque and taken wheels off before, but go ahead and try it out. So you're gonna be prepared for the kickback on it on your wrist. Also make sure it's going in the right direction. All right, go for it.
Oh my God.
It's got a lot of power, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Awesome. Hold on a second. So Milwaukee puts this cool feature on their tools. If you put it on mode 4 here, what it's going to do is it's going to break that bolt, that fastener away at full power, and as soon as it senses that it broke free, the tool will automatically slow down so you don't spin like wobble sockets or anything like that off. So I wanted Vanessa to try it out. So go ahead and hit it. So when it comes off, when you hit the trigger, just keep holding it, and once it senses that lug nut break free, it should slow down by itself. Okay. Pretty cool. Did you see it slow down? It's awesome for like wheels and tires. That way it doesn't, get all crazy and run into your rim surface or anything.
Get ready to catch the tire.
So I'm going to unbolt the caliper here and bracket off, take that off. We're going to paint the bracket, paint the caliper, and then put everything back together once it dries. We're going to do one at a time here. I asked her if she wanted to paint the control arms back. She's just going to leave those. A little bit too much work for right now. So we're just going to get these painted and get it back on. perfect opportunity to try out the new Milwaukee Insider ratchet here. These just came out. This is a pretty awesome tool. So I'm going to adapt it from to a 3/8 drive right here to take the caliper off. So the socket, the Insider ratchet comes with all these specialty sockets. If you haven't seen it before, it's pretty freaking cool. So you can either use the pass-through sockets on like this, on there like that, or you can pop it out and you can put like a 3/8 drive or a 1/4 inch drive or a hex drive, whatever you want to. So it's kind of like an all-in-one ratchet. You can be, 3/8, it could be 1/4 inch, or it can have the standard sockets that it comes with. It comes with all of these sockets within the kit. So I'm gonna pop it in and use it and take off the calipers here. So this has 60 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Of course, it's set up in the wrong direction. 60 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. And if it's too strong, you can just use like a regular ratchet and just crack it free. So I had to give it a little push and spin it out, make quick work of this. And we'll pop the caliper. So you can see the jobs that she did before. They took all the bushings out, everything out. The caliper was completely taken apart, and they painted it originally. We're not going to get that much detail on this one. We're just going to tape everything off. So we're going to put some masking tape on here, and we'll paint the caliper red and put it back on. But we're definitely going to wipe it down with some probably brake clean it off, and then we're just going to spray it with some high temp red paint, and then throw it back on. After about 15-20 minutes of scrubbing, she's got 99.9% of it off. She's going to finish it off with the pressure washer, neutralize the stripper, and then get off any rest of the paint that may be on there. You can see the louvers came out amazing by stripping them. Vanessa has run down to the parts store to go get some self-etching primer. We're going to primer these real quick, and then we're going to throw some paint on them. Meanwhile, I'm painting the brackets for the caliper. I'm painting the calipers and getting that ready. So after Vanessa put a couple coats of gloss black spray paint on there, she went ahead and riveted them back to the vehicle. She's using the Milwaukee M18 Fuel pop rivet gun to make quick work of that.
All these are going into the engine.
That's all right, we'll get them out. All right, so we got Vanessa's car de-girlized, if you will, and everything from pink to black. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive, and this is Vanessa. Make sure you follow her along with your sites.
Vanessa.lynn46 on Instagram.
There you go. All right, thank you guys for questions of it.
I like the Alpine white. I didn't think I'd like the Alpine white, but it looked really good.
So the driving scene you saw at the very beginning of the video is from my new BMW Z4. It's new to me. It's a 2013 model, but new to me, new to the channel, so be on the lookout for videos coming out with this.
Dude, that's so quick.
Yeah,
Quiet.
and quiet too.